Today we are going to see how I, a professional dentist, brushes my teeth. So before we start, let's look at the armamentarium that is required for brushing. Starting with a good medium-sized toothbrush and a fluoridated toothpaste. I make sure that I take a pea-size toothpaste. Starting with the front teeth, I use round technique. It is round the brush is being held at 45-degree angle. Then the bristles are moved up and down so that the food particles get easily removed. Moving towards the back teeth, I still continue with the round technique and the bristles moving down for the upper teeth and up for the lower teeth. Then I make sure that the occlusal surface, that is the biting surface, is properly cleaned. There is no food lodged between the occlusal pits and fissures. We people usually tend to forget the back side of the front teeth. In there, I tend to use the up and down motion. Brushing has to be done for 2 minutes. Then, rinsing with good clean water is very much important. While rinsing, we make sure that all the toothpaste is cleaned off on the tooth. After properly rinsing my mouth, I use a flosser for the flossing technique. Flossing helps to clear in between food lodgement or reduces the chances of cavities which you tend to get in between your two teeth. Your brush usually cleans only the upper, that is the front and the back side. The in-between surfaces of the teeth are only cleaned by a flosser or an interdental brush. After flossing all the in-between surfaces, now we will move towards a use of mouthwash. You can select any brand and any flavor that you wish to, but make sure that also has fluoride in it. A half cap of or approximately 1.5 to 2 ml of mouthwash. I rinse it properly with the mouthwash and make sure all the surfaces of the teeth are rinsed with the mouthwash properly. Now, why mouthwash? Because mouthwash helps to clean and cover that areas of the teeth which are not covered by your brush and the floss. After waiting for 2 minutes, after use of mouthwash, I again rinse with clean water. I make sure I don't eat anything at least 15 minutes post my brushing. Here I am ready to smile and kickstart my day with a fresh breath. Stay healthy and stay out of it, my friends.